What's up, y'all? In today's video, I'll be going over open low high close and open high low close. In other words, open low turtle soup high close and open high turtle soup low close. So later in the video, I'll be breaking down two trades I've taken using the concept, and this is also correlated with the power of three. So if we are bearish, and let's say this is our 6-hour candle, time is fractal, so everything happening on a higher time frame is also happening on the lower time frame. So let's say this is our 6-hour candle and we are bullish. We want to see price open, and then right here is when we're building up liquidity, and then we wait for the manipulation inside of a key level and at a key time. So since this is our 6-hour candle, we want to see price manipulate and purge the 12 a.m. low for us to go higher. So you want to see the purge at a key time and a key level. So once we purge, you look for your entry, which for me is the turtle soup. You could look for the unicorn 2022 model. Once you get your model, you want to enter targeting the draw liquidity. So you enter. For me, I would target 50% of the range and then the opposing end. So it's pretty simple, honestly. So it'll just be like this. You wait for the manipulation inside of a key level and at a key time. Like I said, this is a 6-hour candle, so it'll be midnight, 6 a.m., and 12 p.m. So you want to see the 6 a.m. candle purge the 12 a.m. low since we're bullish. And then if we are bearish, you want to see price generate liquidity before we go lower. We generate liquidity and then we push lower. Oh, this is sloppy. I gotta fix this. Let's say it like this. We manipulate, boom, push price lower. So this is what you want to see. You want to see us accumulate, build up liquidity, take out all that liquidity, and then go lower. So let's go hop into the charts. All right, I'll be breaking down the shorts first and then the longs, because I took the shorts on Friday and took the longs on Monday. So what was going through my head was I saw that we had this CRT right here. Let me draw the range low and range high. So once I noticed that we had this range, and then the 6-hour, the 12 noon candle took out this high. So once I saw we took out the high and purged it, I'll go into the lower time frame and draw out all the time for you guys. I'll draw out the open, the high, and the low. So the 12 o'clock candle, okay, the opening of the 12 o'clock candle, where's it at? Right here. So we had this open right here. Open. Okay, so once we had this open and then we purged above it, we purged above and we had our soup. Now let's look for our soup. Where's our soup? This is our soup right here. This range high ended up being the soup. So once I saw we had this soup, I marked it out. And then I usually wait for a 15-minute order block to confirm the move. So this was the order block right here. So once the order block was confirmed, I went back down to the 5 minutes to get my entry on a retracement. So you can get your entry anywhere in here once the order block has been confirmed. And then, so as you can see, we have the open, and this is our high right here. So we made the high, which is our purge. So the high and low will always be the purge or the manipulation. So we had the open high and then we had the low. So this was our low. and then we closed out, yep, right here, and this was our close. See, now you see real time. We open, high, turtle soup, low, and then close. So yeah, this was my entry. I got in on this order block and targeted right here. This was my target, and as you can see, price just went right into it. And then so I'll be breaking down the longs next. All right, and this was the framework behind the longs that I took. So I noticed that this became our new CRT candle. We have this range high and our range low. So going to Monday morning, I noticed that the opening of this midnight 6-hour candle had purged the Friday noon low. So once I noticed that we purged and closed above, I was very confident that the next 6-hour candle would be the distribution phase. As you can see, we took out the low and closed above. So that's confirming we want to go higher. And we are also inside of this key level. You always want to be inside of a key level, which is this daily BISI. As you can see, we are inside this daily BISI. And then that's when you dive into your lower time frame to look for your entry and just your confirmation that price wants to go higher. And that's exactly what I did. But now let's mark out our opening, which was let's mark out this opening of the 6-hour, which is midnight. This is our open. And then once we made our low, once we made the low, purge. The low is always going to be the purge if you are bullish. So this is our low. And then turtle soup right here, as you can see. Yep, right here. We have this turtle soup. That's why it's open, low, turtle soup, high, close. So turtle soup right here. And then this is our order block. I take my entries on the order block. That's just another confluence for me. So I use for the order block. And then once my order block is confirmed, I can go into the 5-minute to look for my entry, which will be right here. See, as soon as we close above confirming this order block, you could enter anywhere in here. So get your entry in here and then put your stop loss at this low. But like going back to the open, high, low, close, we had this open, low, turtle soup, high. Why are you doing that? I bet. We had our high. And then we closed, which was right here. And this was our closing. You see, it's really simple. Open, low, turtle soup, high, close. If you have any questions in the comments or like any confusion, and I could just try my best to break it down even more. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in the next vid.